Visera platform is a real breakthrough in project management. Using our technology, you're able to transfer all the components of any construction project in one 3D interactive system, where you will see all the details of your project from any angle on one screen. This will let you see whole picture and minimize the marketing and planning risks, making the project more valuable for your customers. Such a tool is especially useful for planning of large-scale areas where the work involves dozens of design offices and other organizations, from the road services and QA state committees. I want to underline that our tool is not replacing any CAD system. More than that, it gives an additional added value to your designers, as they could transfer all their project into 3D interactive mode and simulate the construction on all stages. It is a perfect QA for your project. In other words, it is a good tool for decision making. Visera can be called an affordable time machine. One of the main issues for any developer is to start sales of their project as soon as possible. The sooner, the better. Having our tool, you can make the potential customers to see your project already completed at any point of view, inside, outside, surrounding areas, underground garages, etc. Such a model is both beautiful and interactive. You have an opportunity to publish it on your website and begin distance sales immediately. Your potential customer can interact with the 3D environment, measuring the distances and/or interiors, putting 3D objects like bushes or furniture items, having a look from the windows exactly how it will be in a real life. Tools are so simple, everyone can use them. As a result, your customer gets the maximum feeling of the property. By this way, you reinforce the procedure of decision making to buy the piece of your project. It's a win-win situation for both parties. As an example of the cost reduction and a good planning at early stages, I'd like to show you the following project. We've modeled this house long before it was completed. Looking on a 3D copy, customer found that an expensive penthouse overlooks the old block. It became clear that this significantly reduces the sale price of the apartment. Architects decided then to increase the balcony wall, hitting the old block that way. And of course, Visera opens new opportunities for the bidders. And again, an example, industrial designers participated in the contest established by manufacturer. They had an issue to show their project in a brand new way. They wanted to make a huge impression to the manufacturer, so they've ordered a 3D model of the helicopter to be simulated in the real world. We took a CAD designs and transferred them into a full-scale 3D model, which was put into a real environment. During the presentation, the organizers of the tender were able to see the helicopter both inside and outside. More than that, they took the helm and flew over the ancient city of the Incas. It gave them an unbelievable participation effect. As an outcome, our partners won the tender. Another interesting way of using Visera will be demonstrated by our Spanish partners. In Barcelona, a well-known architecture firm reconstructs an entire neighborhood. One of the conditions for obtaining such a large order was the opportunity for the residents and the municipality to monitor the whole process of their city changing in shape. And using our tool, they will transfer all their designs into a 3D interactive model and then publish it on Visera.com. This will be available for public view at any stage of the project. This way, people will get all the notifications on the changes right in time and without trouble. Thus, the participation effect, which goes along with the 3D worlds, become an important competitive advantage in the struggle for the real budgets.